Meaning of inyanga.
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 Inyanga. Inyanga is a term used in South African healing practices, particularly in traditional Zulu and Xhosa medicine. The word inyanga generally refers to a traditional herbalist or healer who uses plants, roots, and other natural substances to treat and cure various illnesses and ailments. The role of the inyanga is not only to heal the physical body but also to address spiritual and emotional imbalances. Overall, the inyanga is an important figure in South African traditional medicine and plays a significant role in the health and well-being of many people in the region.